Hey guys, Choppers Roll 1 here. Well, I've got a couple little brackets made. These are only just, those two there are the headlight brackets. I just whacked a bit of red paint on them, purely and simply because I don't want them to rust. I've got to mount them all up yet and grind all the corners and all that sort of stuff off them. But the headlights there are all ready to roll. There's all the chrome bits. As we pan around here, I painted the wheels. Look at that. My marking up really sucked, but I painted the wheels. They look really cool, I think. I will blacken the tyres so they look a bit better than what they are. But I'm quite happy with the way I turned it out. That's not a drama. And then, dun dun dun, look at that. I painted it red. She's red. It looks better in the daylight, guys, but it just really sucks because it's night time here in Australia at the moment. But yeah, she come out cherry. I'm happy as pig in poop with that. Pig in mud. I even did the inside. I'm not worried about the floor because all of this is going to be covered anyway, so I don't really care about that. But yeah, I've got it all painted, all pretty much ready to roll, and it looks really, really nice. I'm really happy with it. I will get around to doing one in the daylight, so it looks really cool. But yeah, I'm really happy with it, guys. What do you all think? I think the red looks really good. I've got a few graphics and stuff that I want to do with it. This thing will focus. There we go. I've got a few things I want to do with it, so I'll get that organised one day. I'll put a bit of graphics or something on it. I'm not sure yet, but the wheels I'm going to do. I was talking about doing a little pinstriping just around the edge of the rim there. Just do a little red pinstripe or something. But I don't know. I might stick the wheels on and just see what they look like. But yeah, we'll blacken the tyres so they will look a bit better. But yeah, there we go, guys. I'm quite happy with that. Everything came out pretty good. I just got to put it all back together. So should be a bit of fun. That's it. I'm happy with it. It came out really cool. Got crap laying everywhere, but it looks really good. All right, guys. Bye for now.